Good morning. I'm very happy to welcome you in Miami, where we are celebrating the 20-year anniversary of the Hitachi Energy and Transformer Days. We are welcoming over 300 colleagues and customers and partners, where we are showing the future of electrification, where we are showing what the future of the energy transition is. We are coming from different stages of our Transformer Days, where we presented, for instance, how we were going to move from a smarter, greener, and stronger network, going up to the potential of digitalization. Today we're really talking and addressing what the energy transition is going to be all about. We are addressing the resilience of the supply and the value chain. We are discussing about how partnership can take us to the next level. And we are addressing, at the end of the day, how Hitachi Energy can address, like we do see in our exhibit, all the elements about the grid, all the elements about the industry, all the elements about renewable, all the elements that are going to bring a partnership to the next level. So I'm very, very happy that we are discussing, addressing, engaging with over 300 people in those days to live together what is the future of the energy electrification and the energy transition. Welcome in Miami.